Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this is a smoky eye. I'm doing a smoky eye for you guys. I know I've been doing a lot of neutrals. This has a bit of pop-up colour anyway, so that's fine. It's kind of like a silvery bluey kind of look, but I know because of my Disney designer palette from Colourpop, it's quite neutral. I've been doing a lot of neutrals. I have colour coming up soon. I've got some weird looks coming up soon, so don't worry if you like my interesting weird looks. They're coming for you guys. But yeah, I just felt like wearing these kind of colours. I was looking at I came up with this little colour palette that I have here, with like chocolatey browns and like silvery blues. So I was like, let's do something like that today. So this is the look. I've got a little bit of a bun going on, which I never wear. I've been wearing recently more, but I never used to wear. Yeah, it just felt like being a little bit glam, a little bit pretty today. And yeah, I love it. I actually really like how it turned out. I was a bit iffy halfway through it, as I usually am, but I was very surprised how it turned out. So yeah, I really like it. I like how sultry and smoky it looks. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's start this look off with our eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use my P. Louise base in 0.5, and I'm just popping that all over my lid, all the way up to my brow and along my lower lash line, just to give us a nice blank canvas to work on and stop the shadows from creasing and fading. For my first shadow, we're going to use the Colourpop eyeshadow in the shade Made to Last. It's just like a mauvey, kind of dusky, rosy, pinky brown kind of colour. It's a really nice neutral colour. It's great for doing a cool tone smoky eye like this. And I'm just popping that on the outer corner of the eye using a big fluffy brush, and then bringing that all along into my crease. And then using a really small little, not a blending brush, but a really small little brush, we're just running that along my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking the shade Dark Roast from Makeup Geek, and just a really deep chocolatey brown. And we're just using a MAC 221 brush for this, a really small blending brush, and just buffing that again into the outer corner and into the crease, just not blending it up as high as the first shade, the Made to Last shade, and just blending that in. And I'm just slowly building the colour up. I went back and forward between the blending brush and the darker colour and just built it up. And then I'm taking that same shade along my lower lash line, really close to my lashes, as close as you can get to your lashes on your lower lash line. On my lid, I'm using my NYX glitter primer. Like I've said before, I do like to use this for my shimmers nowadays, just because it makes them really intense, really stand out. And I'm just patting that on my lid where I haven't applied any colours yet. The first shimmer we're going to use is Makeup Geek's eyeshadow in the shade Ocean Breeze, which is a really deep kind of navy blue with a shimmer. It's really nice blue. Even this on its own with the browns would have been really, really nice, but I did want to add a bit more pizzazz to the look. But yeah, this colour went on really nice, especially over the glitter primer. And then I'm going back in with my blending brush that I use for the darker brown. I'm just using that to tap over the edge just to blend the colours together. And for my little bit of pizzazz I was talking about, I'm taking the shade Heavenly from Colourpop. And we're just pressing that over that navy blue. I didn't use any primer for this part, I just pressed it over as it is, because I kind of wanted the mixture between the darker blue and this more silvery blue. For my waterline, I'm using the shade Yuzi or Uzi, I'm not sure how you say that, from Urban Decay. It's one of their Glide On eye pencils. It's like a dark kind of grey with a little bit of a blue undertone in it, and I'm just popping that into my waterline. And then just for a bit more of a smoky look, I'm using Zero, also from Urban Decay, Glide On eye pencils, and just using that smoked and smudged into my lashes on top to give a really nice soft effect. And then for my mascara, I'm using my MDM Flow Greater Than mascara. Again, I'm just trying to get use out of this. I like this actually for when I'm wearing lashes, because it just coats my lashes. Doesn't really do much of them, which I don't like it for, but I do like it for when I'm wearing lashes. And then to finish off the eye on the inner corner, I'm popping on Shimma Shimma from Makeup Geek. It's just a shimmery nude shade. I'm popping that into the inner corner to highlight the inner tear duct. And then to properly finish off the eyes, I did pop on the Fat Lash Wispy Lashes. For my cheeks, I'm using the Benefit bronzer in Dallas. And I'm just using that buffed very lightly at first and just build it up as much as you want into my cheeks, kind of as a contour, kind of as a bronzer. Brought it up to my temples and into my forehead. And then I'm using the Benefit Dandelion blush, which is a very soft pink, which I love with like blues and green kind of tones on my eyes. It's just a very, very soft baby pink, and it just gives just enough colour to my cheeks. And then for my highlight, I wanted to go silvery, so I used the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. I used the shade Star, which is more of that silvery kind of tone. And I popped that on my cheekbones, just to tie in nicely with the silvery tones on the eyes. And for my lip, it's one of my new faves. I did mention it in my favourites video. I used the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip, Velour Liquid Lip in the shade Mannequin. Just a nice soft nude. And that's the look. Alrighty guys, so this is your finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. I know this one was a voiceover because I've noticed that my last few videos have been very, very, very long, longer than they should be, because I'm a rambler and I can't help it, but I'm going to try and get better at it. I'm either going to do a voiceover or shorter videos. It's going to be one or the other. It's not going to be short videos. Like, I don't want to do like a 10-minute video or like a 30-minute video, but I don't want to ramble too much. I want to keep it concise, so I need to work on that more. So in the meantime, it's going to be voiceovers. Any of my 3 looks 1 palettes, I'm going to do voiceovers from now on, because it just takes way too long to watch, basically. It's fun, but it takes too long to watch. So I'm going to do them in a voiceover style. I'm going to do the reviews and swatches, like talking through like this. But the voiceover will be for the actual look part, because it's just quicker, it's easier. I'm just too much of a rambler. I don't trust myself anymore. I've lost all trust in myself to not talk too much. So yeah, this is your look. I hope you all enjoyed. Hope you give it a try. It's very glam, even though there's a bit of colour in it. It's still super glam and I love it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of the look. Also, if you are okay with the voiceover, or do you prefer me talking through the video, or do you not mind the long videos? I want to know. I need to know what you guys actually want from me. So yeah, you can let me know in the comments down below. And also, I can see a hair right there. I can see it. He's right there somewhere. He's annoying me. He's stuck to my lash. Okay, there we go. So yeah, give me a big thumbs up if you did like the video and like the look and would wear the look. Give me a thumbs up as well. And also hit subscribe to see more videos, more of my weird videos, more of my weird looks that I'm going to do. I have, what have I got coming up? I have another Disney one coming up, Disney princess look, so subscribe to see that one. And something else, oh, my next how-to video, yeah, because I think you guys like those. So yeah, I have my next how-to skin video, so yeah, I'm excited. So hit subscribe to see all of those, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.